Another thing you can do is you can find appliances so that you can find them at any store in the Bangor, Brewer, Portland, Lewiston, Brunswick area, so that everything matches. This was a white refrigerator before. They found this stainless steel refrigerator. They matched it to the sink, the dishwasher, the stove, and the black and black. So everything is matchy-matchy. That's what you want. A buyer wants matchy-matchy. They just want it to look the same when they walk through so they can envision themselves living here. That's what we want for you sellers, and that's what we want for you buyers.